There are many things that humans have in common, but there are also some things that are unique to each person, one of which is handwriting. Individuals have different abilities when it comes to handwriting. It has continued to be used in everyday life as a way of communicating and recording data. Because everyone's handwriting is different, it can be difficult to understand what they're trying to say. Handwriting recognition is rising in importance in numerous fields as computerization becomes more prevalent. Understanding the handwriting and converting it into understandable language is the primary goal. The system learns the input automatically and converts handwritten text to printed text using CNN model.